Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are well and good. And in this video, I tell about how to install a software program from an iOS files. In this video, I totally tell about how to install a software program from an iOS files, and I hope you like my video and you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. In this video I totally tell about this video is a knowledgeful and informational video. Topic is how to install a software program from an iOS files. Let's start your video. Do not waste your time and please like my video and share your friends and some relatives and subscribe my channel and press the bell icons. I hope you like my video. You subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and share your with some few friends and some relatives. And you face any technical issue, uh, and you pass a comments, and I read your comment as soon as possible, and I solve your problems as video as soon as possible. But you like my video and you subscribe my channel, press the bell icons, and share your video with your some few friends. In this video I tell about this video starting I tell about this video topic is how to install a software program from an iOS files. Let's start your video. Do not waste your time. How you install a program from an iOS image will vary depending on which versions of window you use. Higher how to install it in window 10 and window 11. An ISS file as now as an iOS image is a disk image of all installation files for a single program. Particularly large programs such as Microsoft Office and the Windows operating system are made available and iOS files. How you install an application from its iOS file will depending on the versions of window you are running. In Windows, you can mount the iOS file as a virtual drive as install the software from there. You are also able to burn the iOS file to a disk or copy it to a USB drive and install it from the physically media. If you download a Windows 10 or 11 as an iOS file, you will need to burn the to file to bootable DVD or copy it to a bootable USB drives to install it on your target computer. Mount the iOS file in Windows. In Windows, download the iOS image, open File Explorer, and right click on the file. From the pop-up menu, select the mount commanded alternative. You can simplify double click the iOS file to amount it. Doing so, it will then open a virtual drive that a visual in the in File Explorer from which you can install the software. On the virtual drive, you should find a set of .xee file or something similar in for installing the program. Double clicking that file to install the program. After the installation has finishing, open this PC. A folder is in File Explorer, so you can see all your disk drive. You unmount the iOS file. Right clicking on the virtual drive, it will have a drive letter of D or E depending on your configurations, and click eject and remove the virtual drive. Through your iOS file will remain on the computer. This is usually a simple process, but sometimes a third-party programs can disable the built-in mount commanded so it does not appear in the menu. If this happens, you will need to rest your default program to bring the command back. To will the command back in Windows 11, go to Setting App Default Apps and click Windows Disk Image Burner. In the list of apps, click the name of the third-party programs and change it to Windows Explorer. In Windows 10, go to Settings App Default App, scroll to the buttons and click Set Default by App. Click Windows Disk Images Burner Images and choose the name of third-party programs and change it to Windows Explorer. Returning to File Explorer and right-click the iOS files again. The amount commanded should now appear in the menu. Alternating double-click the file and it should and amount correctly. burn the iOS file to disk. Another option is to simply burn the iOS file to the CD or DVD or copy it to a USB drive and install it from the here. This is usually a useful method if you wish to store the program on a disk that you can install in any versions of Windows. You did also got the stereo to if you want to install Windows from an ISO files onto a clean machine. Insert a blank disk onto the disk drive. You can purchase an internal of external drive. Open File Explorer and right click on the iOS file in Windows 10. Select the burn a disk images commanded in Windows 11. Click show on more option and then select burn disk images. I hope you like my video and you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching a complete video, and this video more in videos. Thanks for watching a complete videos.